Hey everyone, Noel here, and today we're diving into a David versus Goliath matchup, Google Drive against Internxt. One's the mainstream giant, the other's the privacy rebel. Let's see which one deserves your data. So here's the deal. Google Drive is your centralized cloud storage that's part of the whole Google Workspace family, built for collaborative real-time editing. Internxt takes a completely different approach with decentralized, open-source storage that puts zero-knowledge encryption and privacy first. Basically, convenience versus security. Google Drive's all about connect and collaborate. They want you sharing and working together, making money through bundled subscriptions. Internxt screams privacy by default, where security trumps everything else, and they keep it simple by just charging for storage. Two totally different worlds. Who's each service perfect for? Google Drive hits students, professionals, teams, and anyone wanting all-in-one productivity tools. Internxt targets privacy activists, journalists, researchers, and basically anyone handling sensitive data who can't afford to mess around with security breaches. Picture a small software company cranking out project docs and timelines together. They need everyone jumping in, editing, and commenting in real time. Google Drive absolutely nails this with seamless co-editing across docs, sheets, and slides. It's like having a digital conference room that never closes. Now imagine a human rights activist storing confidential field notes while traveling through areas with heavy surveillance. Internxt becomes their lifeline here. End-to-end encryption means even if someone intercepts their files, they're looking at gibberish. Privacy isn't just nice to have, it's survival. Money time. Google Drive gives you 15 gigs free with competitive scaling plans, focusing on ecosystem value. Internxt offers 10 gigs free but costs more per gigabyte, though they throw in unique lifetime plans. Each pricing structure totally reflects their core philosophy, convenience versus privacy protection. Google's giving away 15 gigabytes free across Drive, Gmail, and Photos. Pretty sweet deal. Google One starts at $2 monthly for 100 gigs, jumping to $10 for 2 terabytes. The magic happens when you realize you're getting the entire productivity suite bundled in. Internxt plays it differently with monthly plans starting at 99 cents for 20 gigs, dropping to 89 cents if you pay yearly. But here's the kicker. They offer lifetime plans around $390 for 20 terabytes. Pay once, own forever. The value is in long-term fixed costs plus those privacy tools. This is where things get spicy. Google Drive encrypts everything in transit and at rest with solid AES 256-bit, but Google holds the keys and can technically peek at your stuff. Internxt goes nuclear with end-to-end encryption on your device. Your passphrase creates the key, so they literally cannot see your files even if they wanted to. The privacy gap is massive. With Google Drive, you're trusting Google with your data, and they can be legally forced to share it. Internxt runs a zero-knowledge protocol where they genuinely cannot access your files, and they're GDPR compliant. It's trust versus mathematical certainty. No contest here. Google Drive gets an A+ with industry-leading real-time co-editing through their full Office suite that works on any device. Internxt scores AC, with basic file sharing and single-user documents only. They sacrificed collaboration for privacy, and it shows. Google Drive keeps things simple and intuitive with fast file sync designed for quick sharing. Internxt offers clean file management with cross-platform sync, but reviews mention occasional performance hiccups. Google's years of polish really show in the user experience department. Both cover Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android with native apps, so you're covered on major platforms. But here's Internxt's ace. They also support Linux, which Google Drive doesn't. If you're running Linux systems, Internxt becomes way more attractive. The ecosystem battle tells the whole story. Google Drive integrates with the massive Google Workspace ecosystem, Gmail, Google Photos, and now includes Gemini AI integration. Internxt keeps it focused with Internxt Send for secure file transfers, plus bundled VPN and antivirus tools for the privacy-conscious crowd. Google Drive makes sharing dead simple via Google accounts or links, with password protection and expiration dates on paid plans. Internxt offers end-to-end encrypted sharing with password protection too, but the real difference is that with Internxt, even a sharing process keeps your data private. Google Drive hits 99.9% uptime backed by Google's massive global infrastructure with exceptional reliability. Internxt manages 98.5% as a newer service, still building out their infrastructure with some performance inconsistencies. Google's experience and resources definitely show here. Let's break it down. Google Drive dominates with best-in-class collaboration, a complete ecosystem, generous 15 gig free plan, and competitive pricing. Internxt counters with unmatched privacy through zero-knowledge encryption, open-source transparency, and privacy-focused tools that actually work together. Here's the brutal truth. It's collaboration and simplicity versus privacy and decentralization. Google Drive is literally built to share your data and make collaboration effortless. Internxt is built to protect your data so well that even they can't access it. Pick your poison. Bottom line time. Choose Google Drive if you value convenience, need collaboration tools, and you're an average user or business team looking for productivity. Go with Internxt if your data is your most valuable asset. Privacy is absolutely non-negotiable, and you need ultimate security regardless of cost.